What's up, everyone? Hope your day is going well. And if you've been watching the charts, I'm sure it is, because we are seeing a day where SHIB is up over 6%. We're seeing a lot of green throughout the crypto market. There's been a lot of good news over the past 48 hours. And this is giving the market just a little bit of push here. Now we're at this moment of an important decision. Do we, in fact, continue this rally, or do we see this get rejected and fall back down like we've seen many times before? And I want to talk about that in this video with you guys. I want to cover some more news as well. So if you are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So yes, SHIB is up. It's doing well. It's up over 6%. And we are once again fighting our 20-day moving average, which, as you guys may or may not know, has been a focal point of resistance for Shiba Inu since we've been on this drop for months and months and months now. And what we have seen now is SHIB is at increasing frequency testing this resistance. And we are seeing this for SHIB. We're seeing BTC at its 20-day moving average as well. We're seeing a lot of assets throughout the crypto market fight their resistance. Some of the news that we have seen, if you guys missed my ADA video earlier today, we have officially ended quantitative tightening. So that is a very promising sign for the crypto market. You're seeing some big entities start to embrace crypto. In fact, something that popped up this afternoon, Bank of America says wealth clients could allocate up to 4% of their portfolios in crypto. So this is a big focal point of embrace. Again, this continues to validate the industry. You're continuing to see these larger entities get into the crypto market. And what tends to come following that? It's retail. Obviously, adoption is the biggest thing we've been waiting for here, the thing that has truly eluded us in this market cycle. But it's really starting to feel like it's not going to be long before we do have a big wave of adoption beginning yet again. Now, something I did want to mention about today, things that we have seen. The Coinbase Premium Index is in fact mixed. So we're watching this hesitance in terms of the market. Some people are betting on leverage. Some people are buying spot. For example, $344 million worth of shorts liquidated over the last 24 hours. So that's a very promising sign. As you guys know, I always love to see shorts liquidated because we have seen such large, long leverage liquidations over time. And we have seen a 5% open interest spike just over the last 24 hours alone. So what we're watching right now is this rally is in fact a little bit propped up on leverage, all right? And that is where I always have just a little bit of caution. I'm not bearish, I'm not crazy bullish or anything like that. I'm watching and waiting to see how the market is going to react to this, because if this is in fact propped up on leverage right now and you're not seeing a big push towards spot buying, we're probably going to retrace and go back down and test some of the levels that we've maybe seen over the last 24 hours or so. If this does in fact start flipping people to accumulate on the spot side, and what I mean by that is seeing that capital that's stuck on the sidelines right now starting to move back into the market, that is where we can start breaking some of these resistances. And instead of this being kind of, a dead cat bounce, as some people have suggested, it turns into more of an extended rally. And that's the big question that we have to watch and wait and see what happens. If we keep getting good news, if we keep getting good data over the course of this week, because yes, there is more PCE data that's going to be coming out as the week progresses. We obviously know next week we're getting into the FOMC meeting. There's a lot of things that can help us carry, but we need, again, continuity, like I've talked about many times before. So again, I'm not trying to rain on anyone's parade. Obviously, we have seen this before. We have the data to see what's going on right now, but there is going to be a point where this does in fact change, where it becomes something much bigger than what we're seeing right now. And hopefully this is the start of that, but we'll have to watch and wait and see what happens. But I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Are we going to see a decision that takes us back to the downside, or is this the moment where we move higher? Have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.